Hey, it's Marko, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pair new Fire TV remote to TV Cube device. Now, before I start with the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, it helps me out a lot. So, first way is, if you can't pair your Fire TV remote, I recommend you do these steps. So first, replace the batteries in your remote. For best performance, alkaline batteries are recommended. Move your remote closer to your Fire TV within 10 feet or 3 meters. Restart your Fire TV by unplugging the device or going to settings. Once you're on the home screen, press and hold the home button on your remote for 10 seconds. Then, if you have seven controllers paired, remove one before attempting to pair another. From there, you want to use the Fire TV app to pair your remote. Download the Fire TV app on your mobile device and follow these steps. And these are the steps. Again, open the TV app, use the Fire TV app to go to settings on your Fire TV device, select controllers and Bluetooth devices, select Amazon Fire TV remotes, add new remote, and that's it. Another way is to reset your Fire TV remote. So to do that, there are some instructions. So to reset most of the Fire TV remotes, you need to do this. So unplug it from the TV, power supply, HDMI input, then wait for around 60 seconds. Press and hold the left button, menu button and back button all at the same time. Hold for 12 seconds, release everything and then wait 5 seconds. Remove the batteries from your remote, plug it in your Fire TV, put the batteries back in your remote, press the home button, and from there, when the LED indicator blinks blue, your remote is paired successfully. If it's not paired, press the home button for 10 seconds. To reset Basic Edition remote, you just need to follow these steps. Just pause the video and read it. And this is for the Alexa voice remote first generation. These are the steps. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.